Hi guys. It is a warm day in the middle of March, and I'm out here riding bike number 2. So bike number 1's in the shop. That's okay. It's just getting some necessary maintenance done. And bike number 2 is a blast to ride also. It ain't got the juice that bike number 1 has, but other than that, it's still fun. It's a nice little backroad bike. Hit some trails, whatever. It doesn't care. So yeah, this is like third day of decent weather for a change. After a extremely cold winter. As you can see, there's no leaves on the trees yet. We're in the very beginnings of spring here. Soon enough.